So here we have Module 3, Lesson 3 homework. I was focusing on word problems using area and perimeter. So the important thing here is for them to draw a picture so they can kind of visualize what it is they're actually trying to do. So Katie cut out a rectangular piece of wrapping paper that was 2 times as long and 3 times as wide. So we know we're going to multiply something by 2 and we're going to multiply something by 3 as the box she was wrapping. The box was 5 inches long and 4 inches wide. So the box, the box is here. It's 4 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches, 5 inches. So this is our width. This is our length. We have our larger thing, which is our wrapping paper. Pardon the horrible penmanship. What is the perimeter of the box of the perimeter of the wrapping paper? So that's what we're trying to find out. Okay, we know that the piece of wrapping paper is 2 times as long, so 5 times 2 equals 10. So this is 10, that's 10, and it's 3 times as wide. So we do 4 times 3 because our width is 4, and that's 12. Oop, not to scale. So the question is, what is the perimeter of the wrapping paper? So we're just going to add them all up. So 10 plus 10 is 20. 12 plus 12 is 24. 20 plus 24 equals 44. So our perimeter is 44 inches. Okay, make sure they get that label in there. All right, Alexis has a rectangular piece of red paper that is 4 centimeters wide. Its length is twice its width. She glues a rectangular piece of blue paper on top of the red piece, measuring 3 centimeters by 7 centimeters. How many square centimeters of red paper will be visible on top? So we have our first piece. So we know it's 4 centimeters wide. That'll be our width. Its length is twice its width. So we do 4 times 2, and that gets us 8 centimeters for our length. Okay. She glues a rectangular piece of blue paper on top of the red piece, measuring 3 centimeters by 7 centimeters. How many square centimeters of red paper will be visible on top? So we want to deal with square centimeters, so that means we're doing area. So area equals length times width. What we're trying to find, this one is green, or no, this blue, sorry, I don't know where I got green from. I'm thinking Christmas because it's red. So blue and red. So we're trying to find the square centimeter area of this section here. So we first have to find the total area of the red piece, find the area of the blue piece, and then subtract them. So we do 8 times 4, which equals 32 centimeters squared. And then we do 7 times 3, which equals 21 centimeters squared. So then we just subtract them, and we get 11 square centimeters. All right, on to the back. Bryn's rectangular kitchen has an area of 81 square feet. The kitchen is 9 times as many square feet as Bryn's pantry. The rectangular pantry is 3 feet wide. What is the length of the pantry? Okay, so we have a rectangular kitchen. We know the area is 81 square feet. That's the kitchen. The kitchen is 9 times as many square feet as Bryn's pantry. So here's our pantry. So we need to find the area first. If the area of the kitchen is 9 times as much, remember area is length times width, we know the area of 81, and we know the that the area Oh, that's backwards. I need to do that later. The area of this one, of the kitchen, is 9 times as much as that, so we have to go backwards. So we're going to do 81 divided by 9. Ignore this for now. 81 divided by 9 equals 9. So our area over here is 9 square feet. If the rectangular pantry is 3 feet wide, what is the length of the pantry? So now we look at our area formula. Area equals length times width. Our area is 9. We don't know our length, we know our width, so we have to go backwards. What will multiply by 3 to get us 9, or just take 9 divided by 3 and we get 3. So our length is 3 feet. And the last one, the length of Marshall's rectangular poster is 2 times its width. The perimeter is 24 inches. What is the area of the poster? So if we do a kind of like a scale drawing here, we have 1 and 2, okay? We know the length is 2 times the width, right? Because 1 times 2 gives us 2. So if we find the perimeter of this one here, we find our scale. So we have 4 and 6. So the perimeter of this one equals 6. We're trying to find the dimensions of a rectangular poster. That's 2 times, its length is 2 times its width, but the perimeter equals 24. So we need to multiply these numbers by something to find here. To find those numbers, we need to figure out the relationship with either multiplication or division of 6 to 24. So we're going to go 24 divided by 6, which gives us 4, because we know 4 times that gives us 24. So we need to multiply these by 4 to find the length of the sides. So 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 4 is 8, 1 times 4 is 4, and 1 times 4 is 4. And then if we add these up, 8, 16 plus 8 equals 24 inches. So our dimensions are 4 inches by 8 inches. So that is Lesson 3, Module 3.